Fix Battlenet Game's slow download speed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow download speeds on Battlenet. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, click on the Battlenet icon in the top right corner and open the settings menu. Now, navigate to the download section and from there scroll down to the download limits. Now here, make sure to uncheck both the latest updates and pre-release content option, and this will prevent Battle.net from limiting your download speed. You can simply click done and wait a moment. And if the download speed is still slow, you can simply return to the Battle.net download settings and this time enable the download limit options for latest updates and pre-release content, but set both values to a very high number, higher than your maximum download speed. For this video, I have set mine to 30 million, and once you're done with that, you can simply click done and wait a minute or two to check if the speed improves. You can disable the limits again if this doesn't help. And if the issue still persists, you can check if other applications are using your internet connection. You can open the hidden icons menu on the taskbar and look for any apps running in the background. And if you find one, you can simply right click on it and select quit or exit. And if you are using a VPN, you need to disconnect from it to see if that resolves the issue. And for the best download speeds, use the Ethernet connection if possible. So if you are on Wi-Fi, simply open the start menu and search for Wi-Fi settings. Now expand show available networks and check if there is any 5G edge version of your network. This network usually will have 5G or 5G Edged at the end of the name. Connecting to it can significantly improve download speeds. And after following these steps, your Battle.net download speed should improve. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.